Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file a copy application. First, identify the correct form for your specific needs, as there are various types. Next, gather all necessary supporting documents, such as your identification and any relevant proof of ownership. Finally, ensure your computer meets the system requirements for the e-filing portal to avoid any technical issues during the process. This thorough preparation saves valuable time. Once prepared, navigate to the official e-filing portal and create a secure account using a valid email address. Carefully complete all required fields on the digital application form, paying close attention to accuracy. Then, upload your supporting documents in the specified file formats, such as PDF, ensuring they are clear and legible. This step is crucial for a smooth review. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all entered information for any errors or omissions. This critical step helps prevent delays. Next, proceed to pay any associated application fees using an accepted online payment method, like a credit card. Finally, confirm your submission and be sure to save the provided confirmation number. This number is essential for tracking your application's progress. After submitting, regularly monitor your application status through the online portal using your confirmation number. Be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for additional information from the agency, as this can expedite the process. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals. Keeping an eye on your application ensures a timely resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.